And again, look at the speed of the rocket launcher. And you guys do nothing about that. This is the guy. This is the one who is shooting rockets. Now I'm gonna show you. And you're gonna see the proof that is him. Look.
Allied stalker drone activated.
Look the speed.
Enemy turret set.
Any second. There you go, you see now. And again. Look at the speed. Where is it? Yeah. And there's another guy too as well. Why they have that kind of speed shooting in the rocket launcher? It's impossible.
Allied turret set.
I have a rocket launcher too. I did all updates on it. I bought it all what it's possible to add to the rocket launcher. And you still cannot shot
Our team
this
moves.
speed. You cannot possibly have the speed to shoot. This is the proof of the hacks. That you promise to do something about that, but you're not doing.